Hi, this is Stephanie Hines. I'm presenting on the continuous improvement process for Component 1, the State Performance Plan and Annual Performance Report. So the State Performance Plan and Annual Performance Report, they are documents that the state has to send to the U.S. Department of Education, the Office of Special Education, and the current plan was submitted in February 2013, and it's updated every year. So they don't have to do like a full rehaul of it every year. They just have to look at it and update it. It's a 51-page document on the CDE website. It has detailed information and data from all over the state. It was similar to a UIP at the school level, but this is like on such a huge scale. It's like the whole state, so for all the students with IEPs. So the 3 priority areas for the SPP are that they look at, are we providing FAPE for students, and are we providing it in the least restrictive environment for them? Then it's also kind of supervision of child find, conflict resolution, mediation, and transition services. And so basically the state is responsible to make sure that the administrative units or school districts are meeting the guidelines of IDEA. And so it's also focusing on monitoring the disproportionate numbers of racially or ethnically diverse students that are receiving special education services, especially when it's because of inappropriate identification. So really we're looking at all of the things for the students. Are they in ELL? Do we need to look at that? Like what's causing their need for services so that it's appropriate. The state, they've given the systemic improvement plan. They did it in 3 phases, and all of this is on the website if you want to spend hours reading all these documents, which we will have to do in the future when we are working as SPED directors. There's a lot of details in there on how the state is going to focus on improving, which is reporting to the federal government and also to the public. They have guidelines for each administrative unit for their performance plans, and then they also have opportunities for parent input. They have reports on previous parent surveys, and they have a brochure for parents about the whole process and the reporting. And the state will definitely need detailed reports from every school district so that they can compile it all into these documents. And so it's really important for directors of special education to make sure that they have all of the data for their district and that everything is in compliance and before they send it in. And here's the website where all the information is. Thank you.